Hey buddies, what's up? Welcome to a new video on my channel, and today we're gonna install the heating system. We're gonna start doing the video about the walls and the ceiling. Okay, so right here we install our heater, and make an outlet later here. And first you're gonna drill a hole here. It has already a mounting bracket on there, so we just need to have a couple holes here for the wires, the fuel, exhaust, and the fresh air. We drill a hole and see where we come out at the bottom, but that should be fine right here. Yeah, so 2 big holes here and 2 little holes there. So I drilled all the holes and cleaned the edges, sprayed primer on there. Don't worry about this here, that's not metal or so, that's from the protection cover from underneath. But we do that when we are underneath the car. Hole for the wire too. So now we have to hook up all our supplies, fresh air, exhaust pipe and everything, get it through here and screw the thing on there. So the heating unit is installed right here. Yeah, so everything looks great. And now we have to hook it up to the battery and to the support frame. But first we built a bed, but you have probably seen that video already where we built a bed. Alright, so this side the box is done, so now we have to cover it too. Okay, so the floor is cleaned up. Now we're getting ready to put the flooring in here. And then we see how that looks. So the flooring is done. That's what it looks like. So here we have the outlet from our auxiliary heater. Okay, so that is how we built the wall. So we put a plate on here. Yeah, with a little construction underneath where we screw the plate on. And then we glue this vinyl stuff on here, and sometimes it don't want to stay flat, so we put a couple screws in here to secure it on there till it's totally glued. We have also electricity running right there, so that's ambient light. It's coming around. And the lights and the ceiling are already working. There's a TV. TV is also working. Where's the switch? Yeah, so TV is working too. Still have to do the window frame. Yeah, don't worry about that because the lightning is coming up there. Lights here working too. So that's what the heater installed looks like down there. So it's going down there. So we got the outlet down there with a 45 degrees, so it's blowing hot air. It's blowing right in the room here. Yeah, here is where I installed the control panel, and we also have the remote control. Okay, so this light switch is for the kitchen area. So we have lights here, but we can also separately turn them off or on. And there's a light switch here, which turns on all the spots in the ceiling. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we're gonna see us next time.